Metabo HPT nail gun troubleshooting common nail gun problems. Nail guns are essential tools for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Yet, like any device, they come with their own set of challenges. From jamming issues to air leaks and misfiring, understanding these common problems can save you time and frustration. Let's dive into some practical solutions for these issues. Jamming issues. Jamming is a frequent problem that can disrupt your workflow. It usually happens when nails get stuck in the magazine or firing mechanism. Regularly cleaning your nail gun can prevent this. Keep an eye on the type of nails you use. Incompatible nails can lead to jamming. Have you ever tried using a nail gun only to feel the frustration of it jamming mid-project? It might be time to check the compatibility of your nails with your tool. Always ensure the nails are straight and the right size. Air leaks. Air leaks can reduce the efficiency of your nail gun, affecting its performance. Listen for a hissing sound, which is a telltale sign of an air leak. Inspect the O-rings and seals for wear and tear. Replacing these small components can often fix the issue. Does your nail gun feel weaker than usual? An unnoticed air leak might be the culprit. Regular maintenance and timely replacement of worn parts can keep your nail gun in top shape. Misfiring. Misfiring can be both frustrating and dangerous. It often occurs when the trigger or firing mechanism is faulty. Always ensure your nail gun is properly lubricated. A simple check on the trigger can sometimes reveal the problem. Has your nail gun ever fired unexpectedly or failed to fire when needed? This might be a sign of a worn-out trigger mechanism. Regular checks and lubrication can prevent such surprises. Addressing these common issues can enhance your nail gun's performance. Do you